Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to delete all reposts on TikTok at once. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and type right here TikTok, right? I'm going to just double check if my TikTok app needs to be updated. If there is a lagging or something like that, that may be because you haven't updated the app to the latest version. So you need to update it. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser. Now if you want to delete multiple multiple reposts at once, just turn off the TikTok repost. Instead, to turn off a repost, go to TikTok settings and privacy. You're gonna see repost and then tap the toggle switch. Not everyone has the option to disable repost, by the way. And to stop seeing notification of a repost, go to the settings and privacy notifications and then tap toggle switch to next to the repost. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go back to my screen and go ahead to my TikTok app, and as you can see, you will be able to see right here, this is the interface of the app. Now I'm gonna click on my profile icon at the below right corner basically, and you're gonna be able right here to see the repost basically, right? And if you want to remove the repost at once, as you can see, you won't be able to see an option that allows you to stop reposting or selecting the repost video that you want to remove from your repost list. But instead, if you don't want to use the repost anymore, click on the three bars at the top right, go ahead to the settings and privacy, go ahead to the privacy, and you're gonna be able, after you scroll a little bit down, you're gonna be able to see an option called repost. And as they say, or as we mentioned before, that not everyone have the repost button to switch it off. So as you can see right here, unfortunately for now it is not possible, but we will let you know in the future if there is a new update coming. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.